scavenger hunt is going to be a paper towel roll. That's right! You're going to take the roll from your paper towel. The second item on your scavenger hunt is going to be a Kleenex box. Also, find some tape. Any tape will do. If you have some straws, that's great. Any size will work as well. Do you have some rubber bands? Ready, set, go! Did you find them?
Yes!
Okay. The next thing that you can find is pipe cleaners. You can also find twisty ties that's used on your bread or anything that bends and twists. If you have a pair of scissors, grab those as well. You may want to ask your grown-up for a little help. All right, we are now going to take all of these items that you just went and found and make a guitar. If you're using a Kleenex box, you're already going to have a hole cut in the middle. But if you're using a regular box, ask your grown-up for some help to cut a hole. Once your box is ready to go, you can ask a grown-up for some help to cut a hole into the top. Ta-da! Then you're going to put your paper towel roll right in the top and use some tape to secure it. Next, you're going to take your straw and you're going to take your scissors and cut it down to about the size of the Kleenex box roll. You're going to cut down two, the exact same size. Then you're going to lay these on top and take your rubber band and put it around. If your straws are moving around, you can take them down as well. Now you can add as many rubber bands as you want to make a guitar. If you want to decorate this with markers or tape, stickers, anything that you can find in your house, this is where you can get super creative. To finish this off, you can take any of your twisty ties and make the tuner. And magically, you